Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my edges today. So first of all, I'm going to be brushing my edges with my bristle brush, and I'm using the got to be glue hair gel. So I'm just putting that on my edges first before I brush them in, and I'm using an edge brush, a brush specially made for edges, guys. I'll show you the brush in my next tutorial and I forgot. So this is how I'm going to do it. So it's not so hard, it's just some swoops here and there. So you just pull the hair from the front and just kind of like you're drawing a C on your forehead with your brush, guys. And you don't have to use an edges brush, you can actually use a normal toothbrush